What's up? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Got a real major leaf cleanup today, and basically I got all the guys working this morning. I got some hedges being trimmed, I got some wet leaves, and to be honest with you, we're trying to do it all in an hour. That is wet and heavy. Got my guys blowing it up onto the, gotta work together as a team. That's the hard part of it, dealing with these wet leaves. So we're gonna try to do a little bit of it and see what we can get. Can't spend too much time with just one thing. So this is my guys' first major leaf cleanup, and I'm trying to teach them that you gotta blow an area where all the leaves can filter into. If not, what'll happen is you're just blowing and nothing moving. They literally gotta work together as a team, because those blowers are not strong enough to move the wet leaves. This is a major cleanup because of the wet leaves that's been left in the yard for a period of time. It's definitely major, and I know I underpriced it, but we just got to get it done. So I'm gonna have to get on the mower and help my guys out. I'm trying to make sure they're working together though. So fam, what I'm learning in this episode is that I underpriced it, but also I need certain pieces of equipment to help me move faster. Like that leaf sled will help tremendously, and also that big old leaf blower, but you know, just like everything, may not have the money to do it. So this is my education, and I do not believe charging people for your own education. So I learned something today, but I'm gonna cut on. fam, we've been out here an hour and a half, and basically we got 7 men and 3 trucks. It was a lot going on. We definitely underpriced this job. However, it does give me an understanding of I have to get better equipment. Had I had that leaf sled, would speed this thing up tremendously. I would have got more done. And I know that we have to have a better blower, because the blower for that we was using, we had 3 blowers at one point in time, and the guy's not really used to all blowing in the same direction, working at the same time. So that has to be worked on too. This is our first major leaf cleanup. We definitely giving her the business extra. And we really hope to continue to have this part of our leaf season, because she definitely has a lot of leaves. And I think this is a couple of years worth of leaves, to be exact. I know you may not be able to hear me in the background. Hopefully you can hear some of the stuff I'm saying, but we still getting it in.